Hey guys, so this is a quick video for you. If your Microsoft not sending verification code and you're looking for a way on how to fix it, try login in private page. This is not just make sure it clear from the order login or cache and stuff. So this is the first thing. And if you use Chrome, try login with a new profile. No need to sign in. So this is the first thing that you can try to do. Also, it started to send the codes after about a week. So this is another thing. Or you can go to Microsoft account. Or what you can do is go to account live, fill in as much as information. From there, they will review the information. It takes about 24 hours and they will let you know. So you can go to accountlive.com ACCR. So you can go to this website and maybe I hope it's going to help you. But yeah, I get the pain because Microsoft is like, I completely get it. So I hope some of this at least is going to help you.